Welcome to Randy Wise Hyundai, and here's a look at one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with
parking sensors, Sirius XM satellite radio, heated front seats, keyless entry, outside temperature display,
heated door mirrors,
roof rack,
rear view camera, emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist,
speed sensing steering, and has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer.
For over 20 years, family-owned Randy Wise Hyundai has been there to help you make the best vehicle purchase. Whether new or used, not just to sell you a car, we care about our customers and want to make your purchasing experience the best as possible. With 13 brands available at 8 different locations, you can buy in-store or online at Randy Wise Hyundai. So make the wise choice and stop by today.